IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever created your own website? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I created a simple website before. It was not very good, but I tried to show my projects. I think it is useful, but I don't know how to make it look professional.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short answers, basic linking, occasional hesitation implied. Lexical resource, common vocabulary only, limited range. Grammar, simple structures, some errors, but meaning clear. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of Band 5, reliance on basic language and limited detail. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I did. A couple of years ago, I designed a personal website to display my work portfolio. It was fairly basic, but it served its purpose. The most challenging part was making it both visually appealing and easy to navigate.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-organized, clear, connected ideas. Lexical resource, good range, portfolio, visually appealing, navigate. Grammar, mostly accurate, a mix of tenses and structures. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of Band 7.5, strong detail and control, some room for sophistication. Band 9 answer.
Yes, I've built a couple of websites, mainly for personal branding and experimentation. One of them was a portfolio site, and the other was more of a blog where I tested different design layouts and user experience elements. It was quite rewarding because I learned a lot about front-end development and visual communication.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless flow, expanded detail, natural elaboration. Lexical resource, sophisticated and topic-specific, personal branding, experimentation, front-end development, visual communication. Grammar, flexible, complex, and accurate. Pronunciation, native-like clarity. Typical of Band 9, fully developed ideas and precise language. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.